All right, so I want to talk to you real quick about your transform tool. The transform tool, or the free transform tool, is something that I've been using throughout these videos, and I just want to show you a little bit more about it. So if I press Command T, it automatically pops up. That's a quick key. So let's just press Enter to get out of it, and I'm going to show you the long way to get it. You go to Edit, and then Free Transform. And notice that right here, it shows you the key command to select that. So on a PC, it's going to say Control T instead of Command T. So if I press that, I want you to notice something. If I shrink this down, notice that in my fonts properties, it's going to let me know that they automatically are calculating the font size. So now it's showing me that my font size is now smaller than it was before. So the transform tool is gonna actually calculate that when it's being transformed. Another thing I want you to know, or want to show you, is that if you wanted to scale this, but you wanted it to stay in the middle, what you can do is hold down either your Option for a Mac or your Alt button for a PC. If you hold that button down, you can scale it from the center. Another thing is that now Photoshop didn't always do this, but a newer feature, it's not brand new, but a newer feature is that when you hold down the Shift key, you don't have to hold down the Shift key anymore. So before, you used to have to hold down the Shift key to keep everything proportionate like it's doing now without me holding down the Shift key. But now when I hold down the Shift key, it does the exact opposite of what it used to do, and it distorts the text. So if you want to distort whatever you have by, changing the shape and doing something like this or whatever, then that's how you do it. You hold down the Shift key. Now, if you really want to get wild, you can hold down the Option key and start kind of warping your text like this and changing the angle. That's another story right there. But yeah, and let's say you did all this stuff and you regretted every bit of it. If you press Enter, it's going to keep everything that you changed. But if you see these buttons up here, if you press that Cancel button, then it's going to take it back to where it was when we first started. So yeah, that's it. See you next time.